A section of a retaining wall belonging to a luxury tourism complex under construction near the iconic Krangsuri Falls reportedly collapsed late Monday night following continuous heavy rainfall in the region. The incident has triggered alarm among conservationists and heritage advocates, as the debris from the collapse is said to have severely damaged an old stone footpath of historical significance, once believed to be used by the same or chieftain of the erstwhile Jaintia kingdom. Of particular concern is the state of a centuries-old arched bridge known for its intricate stonework, which now stands at risk of further structural damage. The surrounding area, noted for both its scenic beauty and cultural value, has long been regarded as a heritage site of immense importance. The under-construction complex, allegedly a five-star tourism facility, is reportedly being developed by Rocky Dhar, associated with the Dhar Brothers Construction Company Private Limited. The site falls within the traditional jurisdiction of the Buam clan, adding a layer of cultural sensitivity to the issue. Local sources indicate that the area around Krangsuri Falls has previously witnessed land ownership disputes, largely due to its high tourism potential. However, the district administration had earlier intervened to resolve these conflicts in order to facilitate the planned development of tourism infrastructure while ensuring public access and cultural preservation. As part of the ongoing Krangsuri tourism project, a heritage center is being developed to showcase the region's cultural traditions and historical legacy. The center is expected to feature megalithic monoliths which hold deep cultural significance for local communities. The recent collapse, however, has cast a shadow over these efforts. Environmentalists and local residents have expressed concern that unchecked construction of large-scale tourism infrastructure could irreversibly alter the natural landscape and erode the historical identity of the area. Critics fear that poorly regulated development could lead to visual and structural intrusions in what is considered an ecologically and culturally fragile zone. District authorities are expected to launch an investigation into the incident amid growing calls for a comprehensive review of construction norms in heritage-sensitive areas.
Oh, ma cracker. Ma lihat cracker. Ah, ni. Belai kerat.